Life insurance. It's something we don't like to think about much, right? It makes us think about the unexpected, about not being there for our loved ones. But what if I told you life insurance could be about more than just taking care of family after you're gone? What if it could also be a way to leave a lasting legacy of giving? We all want to make a difference in the world. We want to support the causes close to our hearts. Life insurance can be a powerful tool to do just that. It's a way to give a gift that keeps on giving even after we're no longer here. Think of it this way. Life insurance can help secure your family's future. And at the same time, it can be a powerful way to support the charities and organizations you believe. Now, you might be wondering, how does this work? Can I really use my life insurance to support a charity? The answer is a resounding yes. It's actually simpler than you might think. You can name a charity as a beneficiary on your policy. This means that when you pass away, a portion or all of the death benefit will go directly to that organization. It's like leaving a generous gift in your will, but with life insurance, it's often easier and more tax efficient. And here's the best part. You don't have to be wealthy to make a difference. Even a small policy can have a significant impact on a cause you care about. It's about leaving a legacy that reflects your values and makes the world a better place. Let's get down to the details. How can you make this happen? There are a couple of ways to use your life insurance for charitable giving. The simplest way is to name your chosen charity as a beneficiary on your policy. You can choose to leave them a specific amount or percentage of the death benefit. It's entirely up to you. Another option is to set up a charitable trust. This can be a bit more complex, but it offers more control over how your donation is used. With a trust, you can specify how and when the funds are distributed to your chosen charities. No matter which option you choose, it's crucial to talk to your financial advisor. They can help you determine the best approach based on your individual circumstances and your philanthropic goals. The upsides, more than just a good deed. Now let's talk about the benefits. Using life insurance for charitable giving isn't just good for the charity, it can also be beneficial for you. First and foremost, it's a fantastic way to leave a lasting legacy. Your gift will continue to support the causes you care about long after you're gone. That's a powerful feeling. Secondly, there can be tax advantages. Depending on how you structure your giving, you might be eligible for tax deductions. This can help reduce your tax burden and free up more money for other financial goals. But perhaps the most rewarding benefit is the joy of giving. Knowing that you're making a real difference in the world is priceless. It's a gift that keeps on giving, both to the charities you support and to you and your family. Making a difference, your generosity lives on. I've seen firsthand the incredible impact that charitable giving can have. I've met families who have used life insurance to fund scholarships, support medical research, and provide for their favorite charities. Their generosity is making a real difference in the lives of others. So if you're looking for a way to leave a lasting legacy and make a positive impact on the world, consider using your life insurance for charitable giving. It's a powerful way to ensure that your values and your generosity live on for generations to come. Talk to your financial advisor today to learn more about how you can make a difference. Remember, even a small act of giving can have a ripple effect, changing the world one good deed at a time. If you like what you've learned, please like and subscribe to my channel for more information like this.